yung central London. Yung ano pala, yung London Tower. Tower of Bridge. Something. Inang anong oras mo yung wedding? Inang, what time is the wedding?
Wedding is coming soon.
Inang, ganda-ganda ni Inang, oh. Malapitan, malayuan, apakaganda. Ano na si nanay? Hindi kasi yung audio kasi kailangan malapit yung audio. Hindi okay lang. Ay, sorry. Sorry, mother.
Itong gusto ko na cinematic weather. O, lakad ka. Inisip ko na. Ayan na naman tayo. Mukha ko naman.
Ganda ni Canadian, no?
Tapos parang ang ginagawa nila. Tapos tita tayo. Sabi ni Saya pa rin?
Here. Pasok tayo. Pumasok pa sila din sa loob. Nina, kumusta yung experience niya sa National Gallery? What can you say about the art?
Ang gaganda. Pwede bang Tagalog?
It's so amazing.
Amazing.
Ano yung favorite art piece niya dito?
Mine is here. Because if you're standing on that aisle, and then you're looking at this big...
It's also, I think it's also the biggest.
Yeah, you will
Mine
look like,
is actually...
you will look like it's shining.
Mine is on that
So
part.
real.
On that there. I read the caption there. Something to do about Egypt. And all that. It's Roman na. Uso yan yung sa Roman era eh. May mga era-era kasi yan na yung mga ganyan. Renaissance era, parang ganon. Ninang, how was your art experience?
Art experience.
What's your favorite art piece in the National Gallery?
The one with the angel, like Jesus Christ, the baby Jesus Christ. That's so beautiful.
What's so special about that painting?
Yeah, because Jesus is born. Thank you. Sabi thank you. Parang sabi.
May ano nila, yun lang may essay. May essay palagi na may tanong, may mga highlights. Ayun na po si Ninang, oh. Kumusta Ninang yung fish and chips natin, Ninang? What can you say? Ano yung mo? Highlights? Highlights again? Ano?
Maharap yung salmon, tsaka codfish. Yeah.
Nasaan tayo today?
Today we are in the fish and chips restaurant. Bilasaan ako. Bilasaan ako.
Welcome to Westminster. We're actually near.
Hindi mo nakapag-freshen up, Ninang?
Nakapag-freshen up.
Ayun, napakain kayo ulit ng pigeon. Vlog to Manay, vlog. Ay, hindi maglakad.
Maganda kayo kasi maliwanag nung walang ulan. Diba nung isang araw hindi na makita masyado.
What are the highlights?
We're on the boat again, going to...
Ibang-iba yung vibes ng London sa Italy, Ninang, di ba?
Yeah.
Very ibang-iba yung vibes niya. Parang itong London, mas bigger siya, mas wider, mas yung modern saka yung old.
Yeah,
Sort of.
mix. Yeah. Old and modern. What can you say about what?
Highlights agad. Hindi mo, hindi pa na kami, wala pang highlights. Yung highlights, mga pagpa-uwi na. Mga pa-flight nyo na paano.
So what is the highlight for you for today, London? September 2024.
The fish and chips.
What else?
And the museum, the National Gallery. I preferred it more than this one. I think this is more like modern art. They say modern art, more abstract, more... Like you have to, you don't have to understand it, you just have to sort of appreciate it. I think that's the difference between old art and modern art. Modern art is more like, parang there's no like valid explanation what it meant. So it could be a different explanation. It's up to you to decide how you perceive it. Whereas in old art, like the paintings and all that, in National Gallery,
The next stop
hindi ako
is
meron, wala ko
London
giyan
Bridge City.
puro mga yung
Parang
time nila,
yeah.
era nila, di ba? Siguro at that time yun yung mga popular na
Asian,
song,
yeah.
popular na ano. Saka yun din yung most acceptable na ano.
Tangyawad ko naman yan.
Pero a lot of their paintings are mostly upper class, yung mga nasa painting.
Ayun, nakita din ang...
Financial hub.
Mga basta pera, gano'n.
Baka may napupulot na pera dito.
Yun nga lang wala.
Mga fresh, oh. Hindi na kailangan i-freshen up. Mga fresh pa rin. Kahit alas 8 na.
Anong highlight for today?
Anong highlights natin for today? May anong highlights natin for today?
Noodles.
How do you summarize? Ganun agad. Sa ano pa yun? Pag pa last day nyo na, bukas na.
Yeah.
Today we are at
Wharf.
Canary Wharf? What's that? Canary Wharf. Yeah, Canary Wharf there, oh. Canary Wharf.
Jubilee line.
that London
DLR.
Bridge. Nasaan yung London Tower Bridge na yun? Nasaan?
Over there. Right there.
Right there. Machine lang na.